The Uncle Sam single stick is what I call our single stick design we use. It was featured a while ago on our previous Expeditionary HEMA Club in a Seabag video I made prior to our last deployment overseas. They are inexpensive and worked pretty well. As many people have commented on our Facebook page about detailed instructions on making them, I decided to produce this follow-up video outlining how to make a basic Uncle Sam single stick and the methods to further customize it to simulate specific swords you may want to train with. Here we have all the components necessary to make a set of two small sword single sticks. They include two 6" by 1/2" steel piping with floor flanges and end caps, and two 5/8 by 36" wooden dowels, and a roll of Gorilla Tape. For sabers, add an old pair of shower shoes to that. The total cost at Home Depot was about $36. The first thing you're going to want to do when you take the metal components out of the bag is give them a good thorough wipe down. Next you want to go ahead and assemble the floor flange to the piping and insert the dowel. As you can see here, the balance already is pretty close to what your small sword would want to be. To further secure the wooden dowel, and I would recommend taking a small piece of Gorilla Tape and adding it to the end of the dowel before placing the end cap on. As you can see, it's a very simple design, and pretty much you can put them together within 5 minutes. You can see here the basic model with no modification weighs pretty close to what a real small sword would have weighed for the period of about 500 grams. Now, with a little extra work, you can further customize the hilt to match pretty much the design and shape of the particular sword that you want to train with. Here we're going to make a swell grip, and we do this by cutting small strips of tape and squaring off the handle. We place the tapes at the 1 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and 11 o'clock positions, and then overlapping them, squaring it off. And then what we're going to do is on the bottom of the grip where you want the swell to be, is we just go ahead and overlap small pieces of tape, shaping a little bit of a swell on the underside of the grip. You can see here the finished small sword trainer. Now with additional works you can further customize by making a saber by adding a set of shower shoes for the guard, which works very well. And you can also bend the wooden dowel by heating and steaming the blade for a couple of days and adding a weight to it. Other variations also include a padded single stick in which you can utilize a child's foamy sword. You can take the foam off of that, slide it onto the end of the dowel, and tape it up. This makes a very good padded single stick to use for light sparring for people that do not have their own protective gear. Okay, okay. Pull your pants up. Pull your pants up.
I love it.
Okay, here, try it again.